Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, there is discord in the education sector following comments by the Education Minister last week regarding teacher performance. At a post-sectoral press briefing, the Education Minister said the education sector is not producing enough students with high achievement. But as Giovanni Dennis reports, the Minister's comments have not gone down well with educators.
This is the comment causing unease in the education sector.
We're not getting high student achievement across the board, which is the product that the education sector should be producing. I laid out what my observations over the last 7 months of being here at the ministry has revealed in terms of what I believe are missing and what we should be focusing on.
The minister stressed that the government is not seeking to blame, but seeking accountability.
And I was very careful to note that accountability is not the same as blame. Accountability means taking responsibility for the results, whether they're good or bad, assessing those results, taking the action to make the results better the next time.
But the Jamaica Teachers Association says members are not taking it well.
This has served to further annoy our already restive members at the start of Education Week when we are really looking for some inspiration. The Jamaica Teachers Association has no issue with increased accountability measures. Education, however, is a partnership and requires all hands on deck to move our education system forward.
Mr. Gabriel pointed out other areas he says impede teacher performance that need to be addressed.
Teachers who have been contracted and are not paid or have to wait for months to be paid, not to mention pensioners who can't even get their meager pensions on time. Also, the pauperized state of our teachers. Having completed 4 years of study as a trained graduate enters the profession at a salary of $27,000 per week. Also, no laptop provided for teachers to work from home during the pandemic.
The education minister reasoned that based on the investment in education, public schools in Jamaica should be among the best in the world. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.